Sorry about the shaking. My tools here. Okay, so unplugging. I'm in walk test, so if it goes off, it ain't no big deal. Okay, this is the wire that I just wired up on that smoke. So I have a big wire here. About 20 foot too much. I'll throw it on my truck, and then if I need a little short piece for another job, I'll use it. Catch my wires. Oops, sorry about that. That little bend, like I showed you. And just do a little twist. Instead of picking up 2 wires, you're picking up 1. I know that sounds stupid, but doing a lot, it adds up.
What it is?
Hey.
I hope his rain quits.
It'll eventually quit.
Yeah.
Then we'll be wishing for rain, you know how that goes.
Yeah, you gotta drive about 50 miles in it, so. Always go down 459. If it's raining, you're guaranteed to get caught in a wreck.
Oh yeah.
All the way to Pell City.
Brother, I gotta go all the way to Hartsville, Alabama, so I feel your pain. That's an hour and a half drive for me, one way every day. So
I always feel better once you get to I-20. I feel there's not as many wrecks there.
yeah.
They're all on 459.
And whenever they shut down 2059, that's gonna be a mess, ain't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. That's gonna get messy right there.
Have a good day, okay?
What time are you getting off today?
About 3:40.
That'll be good.
I got another guy that's called in, so.
Called in sick?
No,
Or-
I called him in early.
I got you.
Come on in to work.
Okay, so are you gonna be off for Christmas and Christmas Eve, or you gotta work?
I hope so.
Your job's about like mine. You never know if you're gonna get called in or not.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna check my resistor before I go plugging it up. 1, 2. Okay, that's 3.3, 3.2 K on. We won't know until we get out of walk test how that is. So. All right. That's it. Okay. All right.